Okay, let's get started. So this is the new ankle boots, brown. And next time I'm gonna, so it's already with scratch here. That's quick. I scratch it. Oh my gosh. But anyway, then here it is. So now I'm gonna take off this for you. So it's brown, and next time you can comment down below what color of boots that we're going to wear next time. I'm going to shop more of this, but maybe different styles, so you can just comment down below, or you can send also super things so I can buy more. Like if you want stockings, socks like that, so I can buy that, and any amount would help me for that. So now this one, so I have still my red nails. They cut my nails, so now it's a little bit short. So now I'm going to take off my other boots. There it is. It's quite sweaty a little bit, and then yeah. So now, since we're here, I'm gonna show you putting on my anklet. So this is my favorite anklet. So I really love this one. And also my 2 rings. So I have a lot of 2 ring. Only I lost some of it. I lost it. So I put it in the car, so I make sure I will not forget this one. So you put this on. So 1, 2. It's really I have complete for this, and I also have silver. So this is 5, and other 2s I lost some of it, so I'm gonna put it also. So yeah, that's it for now. So I also have this one. My daughter made it for me. Made it. So now we're gonna unbox. We'll see. While we unbox, I just have to chill and relax, hanging my feet here in my dashboard. And first is